Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To manage the mouse settings in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Bluetooth and Devices button at the left side of the screen. Then click the Mouse Settings button at the right side of the window to show the mouse settings for your Windows 11 computer at the right side of the window in the Mouse Settings. To change the primary mouse button, which is left by default, select a choice from the Primary Mouse Button Settings dropdown. To change the speed with which the mouse pointer moves across the screen, use the Mouse Pointer Speed Settings slider. To set the amount of scrolling that occurs when you use the scroll wheel on the mouse, select either multiple lines at a time or one screen at a time from the Roll the Mouse Wheel to Scroll dropdown in the Scrolling section. If you select the multiple lines at a time choice, then select the number of lines to scroll by using the Lines to Scroll at a Time settings slider. This setting is inactive if you select the One Screen at a Time choice. To toggle the ability to scroll inactive windows when hovering over them on or off, click the Scroll Inactive Windows when hovering over them settings toggle switch to toggle it on or off as desired. To access additional mouse settings in the Mouse Properties dialog box in Windows 11, click the Additional Mouse Settings button under the Related Settings section to open it. You can change the desired mouse settings available on the tabs of the Mouse Properties dialog box and then click the OK button to apply the changes. Alternatively, click the Cancel button to cancel the changes. To change the mouse pointer's color and size using the Accessibility settings in Windows 11, you can click the Mouse Pointer Settings button to view the mouse pointer and touch settings of the Accessibility settings in the Settings window. We'll discuss using these settings in the Accessibility chapter. However, to return to the mouse settings if needed, click the Back button in the upper left corner of the settings screen. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.